I am shooting this in my Jeep because we are realtors on the run this week. It is a busy week in Kingston and Area real estate. There were 121 new listings and 83 homes sold. The average price is $668,000, which that's up $40,000 from last week, which really speaks to the mix of homes on the market. More of those larger family homes, cottages are hitting the market, and this is a perfect weekend to come out to open houses. We're going to be doing 2 of them on Saturday and Sunday. We're at 203 Main Street in Bath. It's a 5-bedroom, 3-bath bungalow that's just gorgeous. We're going to be there from 11:30 to 1, and then we're skipping over to Kingscourt at number 15 on 5th Avenue, and it is just a perfect little house, great for a first-time buyer. We're going to be there Saturday and Sunday from 2 to 4, so if you're out and about, stop in and see us. Have a great week.